Okay, so this is my newest game, created for 10 liner basic competition. Basic 10-liner competition, yeah, that's the correct name. Okay, so there's a program, it's only 0 to 9, so 10 lines of code. Actually, I made this mistake with my previous entry, that I counted from 0 and finished on the 10th line, and I said, yeah, the game is ready, it takes 10 lines of code, but actually it was 11, hello. So yeah, this is very common problem in development world, I guess. So yeah, it happens to me also quite often. But yeah, here in the line from the line 10th until the end, until the line whatever, I have I was actually playing with the level design for the game, so I created a quite nice, I guess, way of actually rendering the level based on the number of the current level. So in G, I'm actually keeping the variable for that, and based on this number, I'm generating the level. That's the idea. Actually, I'm not sure if it's the same as I did in the code above, so I'm going to check it, do some last cleanup, and then render it so you can see how all levels should look like. I also wanted to finish, actually, I wanted to make this game shorter in terms of levels, so 32 levels only. But yeah, let's check the algorithm, which I hope I did it the same. So A is G and 3. Yeah, that's okay. And then in line 2, I should have B, Gandhi, G and I, 0. Oh, I think I changed this. That's fine. Okay, because yeah, I had no place actually probably to put some. Oh no, actually I put it on the beginning. That makes sense because this is actually +6. I can move to the beginning, and then I'm saving one character, which was plus in this case. So the game code will be shorter. Okay, and I think it should run. So let's see. Okay, I also have this prints of different variables, so I'm going to just disable it. So then you can see this actually generates levels just based on one value, which is G. They are actually repeating at some point, but with some slight difference, I guess. I'm not exactly sure. I still see something at the beginning, in the first line, but yeah, I think this actually should work nice. So then I can use it here, this algorithm decode. Before running the game, I also wanted to decrease the number of lives to 7. It's here. To save this line, actually, to store this line, I have to do this abbreviations of all. Abbreviation of all variables, commands, I mean, to squeeze it in one line. So this is for pure 80 category, which means that I can only put 80 characters in a single line. Line, we mean here to have like a programming line which contains 2 rows. So this was 7, and then how many levels? The game should end when it reaches level not 65. I want to decrease it to 33. So looking for the code. don't remember when I put this. Yeah, they will be well done when it's finished, but where is the go to 9? Probably somewhere before. Oh yeah, it's here. So 33, then I can do some abbreviation for go to, for print, world, G, and so on. Okay, so now I will store it, it should work. Let's run the game. Oh yeah, so I think I will always have this obstacle in the front, but I think I'm fine with this. So this is the first world, 7 lives, and now I have to go right and jump, not to touch the pits, which are nicely animated. So I guess that's all, and the game works quite well. Let's try to see the detection works. Yeah, it takes my life out. I have only one. Okay, so I think that's it. I'm going to submit this game to the competition, of course without the editor which I put later on. This is the 5th version. I work on this quite a while because I really wanted to have a nice way of squeezing the algorithm of levels and do not use a random one anymore, but something which can generate me the same levels every time I run the game. Okay, let's remove all the crap, so we have just 10 lines of code. Oh, 40 was the last one. Nice, okay. So the game is ready. I don't know how to call it yet, so I call it Hero because that's some kind of old project I did in the past with the animation. Actually, I did it like in 1995, I think. That was the year when I created some similar animation to this one and decided to use this animation idea. It's a little bit different, but still kind of the same. Of course, the game is quite slow because it's basic, but I guess it's quite playable. Okay, so now when I'm not going to show you the rest, you can play it soon. So enjoy the game in not so distant future, and yeah, thanks for this basic 10-liner competition. I really like the idea. I used a few tricks here and there just to make logic without if statements, like state, keeping the state depending on different situations, and to display the whole animation. You can see the particular parts of the body of our hero here. So yeah, that was quite challenging, but I really enjoyed writing this one and hope I will write more games in future. So thanks for watching, bye and see you in the next video.